We put the elevator here. Finger clocked.
H.
There's a view at the top. Do you want to get a view or no?
Maybe.
Oh, look at F. F is good.
Oh, yeah.
We'll go to the Four Seasons when we're at it because the Four Seasons I haven't been in a while.
Haven't seen TKDD in a while.
Have you seen Agile before?
I don't think I have.
Have you seen DSCs before?
Nope. I haven't seen any form of TK, Destination Dispatch.
Oh look, this TV's out, the one right above you, and the other one's working. I think we've seen these 20,000 times already. I'm not the only one who's filmed these.
Yeah, these are some of Boston's most famous elevators, I think.
They're not the most famous, they're filmed the most.
Well, that's basically the same
A
thing.
lot less videos of these when they were Westies than they are of TKs. There's only like 3 or 4 videos I found of these that are Westie.
Yeah, you can tell they still got the old indicators
Look
up
at the
there.
key card reader.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't even serve a purpose.
It used to be for 28 and 29 when the club lounge used to be up there.
I see.
You would put 28 on the outside and you'd have to swipe your card here before the doors closed.
Oh, you weren't kidding. These are pretty slow.
Oh yeah.
Only 500? Jeez.
Floor 38.
You want to get out?
I mean, we have to if we want to go back down.
Do you want to view or do you want to just go?
We can go get a quick view, I guess.
We'll do some handicap room. We haven't done that in a while. Which side do you want? That side or that side? That way is
Let's just go down here.
Last time I stayed here, do you remember?
No, I don't.
37.5. So you got a view with the Charles River out here. There's Earl's Kitchen and Bar. Okay, MIT is directly in front of you, by the way.
Yeah, there's Prudential.
Way out there's MIT.
Mm-hmm. It's very nice.
Oh, there's Encore, by the way.
I was gonna say, that looked familiar.
Right, let's go back down.
Straight out of Vegas.
Big chunks.
You're done.
Also, I wish you put in 7.
You gotta control the heat in here somehow.
Just go back down.
I'll give handicap a shot, why not?
You do it.
Press button when you hear desired floor, or press twice to cancel.
Go quick, it's loud.
1. Going to floor number 1. Please proceed to elevator J. First elevator. To your right, front.
It always calls card J when you do handicap mode.
Alright then. Oh, it's already here.
Going down. Arriving. Going to floor 1.
That custom voice is really cool.
It's just it's a most common generic voice, if I'm being honest.
Yeah, but it's not every day you hear us say something like that.
There's a Raising Cane's lover in the corner.
3,500 pounds.
500 feet per minute. These things are slow. You know, these used to be faster when they were first modernized, and now they're slow as ducks. Do you want to take another ride, or do you want to call it quits?
Let's just call it quits.
Yeah, we're kind of low on time.
These are cool though. Yeah, quite the impressive elevator lobby too.
Very nice. 2 TVs.
Well, you want to sign off? That'll be it.
And that'll be it.